Sometimes spring needs a little help to get things moving and grooving. So let's get the grass and flowers growing with this week's feature product, the 9-pattern metal sprinkler from Procore. This heavy-duty metal sprinkler is sturdy enough to be dragged by the hose all over the grass, driveway, or even rocky yard. And the rounded base helps keep it level no matter what environment it's going to be saturating. As the name suggests, there's a wide range of spray patterns to help soak the surrounding area, while still keeping certain areas dry, depending on your needs. The radial spray uses the center propeller for a full 360 degrees of even water coverage. The propeller even retracts when not in use. The shower is very similar, but it uses gentle jets for a less aggressive watering, great for flowers and plants. The square pattern creates a sharper angle, so the flow of water can get right into the corner of a fenced area. The half circle will douse anything in front of the sprinkler in a rounded area, whereas the center pattern will do a less aggressive, full 360 degree watering. And for rectangular areas, there's a small, medium, and large setting, depending on the coverage needed. But for any tight areas, there's also a strip function for in between the side of the building and the fence. And depending on the PSI from your water, this little super soaker can cover up to 20 feet in distance, which means more coverage and less keeping timer set to move the sprinkler every 20 minutes. So get everything in the yard looking healthy and fresh with this week's feature product, the 9-pattern metal sprinkler from Procore. What do you use to keep your lawn in its best condition? Let's chat about it in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our 100% Canadian YouTube channel for more great products. See you next time.